Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make trending tiramisu cake. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for a delightful tiramisu. You'll need 6 large egg yolks, 100 grams of granulated sugar, 500 grams of mascarpone cheese, and about 200 milliliters of strong, cooled espresso. Don't forget 200 grams of Ladyfingers and a dusting of unsweetened cocoa powder. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's create that luscious mascarpone cream. In a heat-proof bowl over simmering water, whisk 6 egg yolks with 100 grams of sugar until the mixture is pale and thick, reaching about 75 degrees Celsius. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Then, gently fold in 500 grams of mascarpone cheese until just combined, ensuring a smooth, airy consistency without overmixing. Now for the exciting part, assembly. Quickly dip each Ladyfinger into the cooled espresso, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused Ladyfingers at the bottom of your serving dish. Spread half of your creamy mascarpone mixture evenly over this layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of dipped Ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining mascarpone cream on top. Almost there. Cover your assembled tiramisu with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. This crucial chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully and helps the cake set perfectly. Just before you're ready to serve, generously dust the top with a fine layer of unsweetened cocoa powder for that classic finish. Enjoy your homemade trending tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.